Hi boys and girls. So this video is going to be about sound, the beginning sound. So we need to see which one does not belong, which one is not like the others. So for example, bike, baby, pacifier. So two of them have the b, but pacifier is not like the others. Pacifier starts with a P. And I have a special friend that's going to help us do this today. His name is Carlos the Cook. Yay! Say hi, Carlos. Hello. So Carlos is going to help us today. So Carlos, this is what we're going to do. You're going to tell us what word is not like the others, okay? So I'm going to give you 3 words. Ready, Carlos? Yes. Okay, so the words are, and you at home, help us. So you yell out the word that is not like the others, the one that does not belong. Ready? So we have cat, cone, rock. Which one is not like the others? Rock. Very good. It's rock. Okay. The other 2 have the k, cat, and cone, k. But rock starts with a so that does not belong. Okay, ready? How about piano, up, park, up. Very good. Piano starts with a p. Park starts with a p. But up starts with a. Good job at home. I hope you're going along with us, okay? Here we go. The next set of words are fish, house, happy. Fish. Very good. Fish does not belong. Okay, the next one is moon, hum, mess. Moon, hum, mess. Hum. Good. What sound does hum start with, Carlos, the cook? Huh. Good. Moon and mess start with Yes. The next one is chin, north, name. What do you think, Carlos? Chin. Very good. Okay. Ready? I have just, stage, jump. Stage. Good, because stage starts with s. Just and jump start with j. Good. Let's try another. Food, giraffe, forest. Giraffe. Giraffe starts with j. J, right? Forest starts with f. Good. Now the next one is tooth, thin, thaw. Ooh, what is that one? Very good. I think you got it. It's tooth. Yay! I knew you could do it. Good job. Let's give him a round of applause. He's doing such a good job. Aw, see, that applause is for you. All right, the next one is rake, jar, rabbit. So let's see. Rake starts with jar starts with j, rabbit starts with so it's jar. Yay! Jar starts with j. That one does not belong. It is not like the others. Next one is bees, zipper, zebra. Which one does not belong, boys and girls? Bees. Very good. Okay, the next one is farm, elf, 5. Which one does not belong? Elf. Good. Farm and 5 start with elf starts with eh. Good. The next one is above, valley, video. I hear 2 v sounds, so it must be above. Very good. What is it, Carlos? Above. Good. Next one is game, gorilla, Doug. Doug. Good. Now we're going to go a little faster here, okay? So try to listen carefully. Sour, glass, safe. Glass. Bell, lemon, lunch. Bell. Very good. Awesome job. Cook Carlos is doing a marvelous job. And so thank you, boys and girls, for joining us for the beginning sound and which is not like the others. Stay tuned for more. Say bye.